Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Dreame L40s Ultra robot vacuum and mop. I've looked through the internet, compared it with competing robot vacuums from brands like Roborock, Ecovacs, and iRobot, and checked customer feedback to help you decide whether it's actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The Dreame L40s Ultra is built for people who want their floors cleaned with as little effort as possible. It combines powerful vacuuming, intelligent mopping, automatic maintenance, and advanced obstacle handling into one complete package. From everyday dust and pet hair to larger debris and sticky spills, this robot is designed to handle almost everything on its own. The biggest upgrade is its impressive 19,000 pascals Vormax suction powered by Dreame's 6th generation turbo force motor. That's significantly more powerful than many robot vacuums currently available. Whether you're dealing with fine dust hiding in hardwood floor gaps, cereal on kitchen tiles, or dirt buried inside carpets, the L40s Ultra has more than enough suction to remove it effectively. Despite the increased power, the motor is engineered to operate quietly, making it suitable for cleaning while you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. Carpet cleaning is another area where this robot shines. Through the Dreame Home app, you can choose different cleaning strategies depending on your home. It can automatically lift its mop pads when driving on low-pile carpets, completely avoid carpeted rooms during mopping, remove the mop pads before vacuuming carpets, increase suction power on rugs, or even vacuum carpets twice for a deeper clean. This level of customization makes it much more versatile than basic robot vacuums. Hair tangles are a common problem with robot vacuums, especially for homes with pets or long hair, but Dreame addresses that with its new HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush. It combines a rubber bristle brush with a TPU rubber brush to pick up dirt efficiently while greatly reducing hair wrapping around the rollers. That means less maintenance and more consistent cleaning performance over time. One of the most attractive features is the all-in-one power dock. Instead of simply charging the robot, the dock handles almost every maintenance task automatically. It empties the dust bin into a larger bag that can last up to 100 days before needing replacement. It also washes the mop pads using hot water at up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, dries them afterward to reduce odors and bacteria, automatically refills the robot with clean water and cleaning solution, and even cleans the dock's own washing tray. For many users, that means weeks of hands-free operation with very little attention required. Navigation is equally impressive. The L40s Ultra intelligently maps your home and plans efficient cleaning paths while avoiding furniture and obstacles. Its EasyLeap climbing system allows it to cross door thresholds, sliding door tracks, and other obstacles up to 1.57 inches high. That reduces the chances of a robot getting stuck and allows it to move smoothly between different rooms. The extendable side brush helps sweep dirt out of corners, while the extendable mop reaches closer to edges and baseboards that many robot vacuums often miss. Together, they improve overall cleaning coverage and reduce the amount of manual touch-up cleaning you'll need afterward. Smart controls are another strong point. Using the Dreame Home app, you can create schedules, customize room cleaning, adjust suction levels, select mopping intensity, create no-go zones, monitor cleaning progress, and manage multiple cleaning routines. The robot also supports voice assistant integration for convenient hands-free operation. After looking through reviews across the internet, most owners praise the powerful suction, outstanding self-maintenance features, excellent hair pickup, and reliable navigation. Pet owners especially appreciate the tangle-resistant brush system and automatic dock maintenance, while busy families enjoy how little manual work is required. Of course, no product is perfect. The premium features also come with a premium price, and the docking station requires more space than standard charging docks. It also supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so some users may need to adjust their network during setup. So, should you buy the Dreame L40s Ultra? My answer is yes. If you're looking for one of the most capable robot vacuum and mop combinations available today, this is an excellent choice. The combination of 19,000 pascal suction, intelligent carpet handling, self-cleaning dock, hot water mop washing, detangling brushes, and advanced obstacle crossing delivers a genuinely hands-free cleaning experience.